Welcome to the dynamic world of business management, where decisions, strategies, and leadership converge to shape the success of organizations big and small. Hi, I'm Armaya, and today we're diving into the fundamentals of business management. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or just curious about what makes businesses tick, this video will give you the insights you need. At its core, management is about achieving goals effectively and efficiently. To do that, managers rely on four essential functions. Planning. This involves setting objectives and determining the steps to achieve them. It's like charting the course for your journey. Organizing. Once the plan is in place, you need to structure resources, people, finances, and tools to execute it. Leading. This is where the human element comes in, motivating your team, fostering collaboration, and guiding them toward the shared goal. Controlling. Finally, monitoring progress and making adjustments ensures you stay on track and achieve the desired results. Let's bring this to life with an example. Imagine a company planning to launch a new smartphone. In the planning phase, they research the market, identify target customers, and set a launch date. During organizing, they allocate budgets, assign teams to production, marketing, and sales, and establish workflows. In the leading phase, the project manager inspires the team, solves challenges, and keeps morale high. Finally, in controlling, they monitor sales metrics, customer feedback, and performance data to measure success and make improvements. Organizations operate at multiple management levels. Top-level management includes CEOs and executives who set the vision and overall strategy. Middle management translates these strategies into actionable plans and oversees departments. Operational management focuses on day-to-day tasks, ensuring work is executed efficiently. Managers adopt different styles based on their personality, team dynamics, and organizational goals. Let's explore a few of them, like autocratic. One person makes the decisions, great for quick actions but may stifle creativity. Democratic. Team members are encouraged to share ideas, fostering collaboration and innovation. Laissez-faire. Employees have autonomy, perfect for skilled and motivated teams. Transformational. This style focuses on inspiring and empowering employees to grow and innovate. Effective management isn't just about achieving goals, it's about creating a thriving ecosystem where employees feel valued, resources are optimized, and customers are delighted. A well-managed business not only grows but also adapts to challenges, stays competitive, and drives innovation. Today's managers face unique challenges like managing remote teams, integrating AI, and fostering diversity and inclusion. Successful leaders embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth. Now let me hear from you. What management style do you think works best for a tech startup? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap on today's journey into business management. Remember, great managers don't just lead, they inspire, innovate, and adapt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.